Here comes Handyman Hal. He's in the workshop today. He's got a lot of exciting projects to... wait a second. Hold on. Where are all the tools? Did he leave them somewhere? He was working at the car wash. Maybe he left them there? Maybe. Where else was he working? He was working at the ice cream shop too. Well, you could work and eat ice cream at the same time. It is possible. There's only one place he can go to solve this mystery. You guessed it, the police station. The officer is putting out the call. Everyone keep an eye out for Handyman Hal's tools. Over. What's this? A drone? That's a great idea. They can fly that drone all around and search the area for the missing tools. Be sure to watch your fingers when you're around drones. Safety first. Are we ready for takeoff? There it goes, look! We have liftoff! The cool thing about this drone is that it has its own camera. Hey Hal, smile, you're on TV. Well, here goes nothing, you guys. Let's get it up there and see if we can find those missing tools. Wow, look at this view! Scanning. Well, nothing yet. Oh, Hal wants to give it a go. I wonder where he's going to take it. Of course! The construction site! If there's one place you're bound to find tools, it's here. Let's see. Scanning. Can you see the tools by the dump truck? Or the excavator? No. Okay, let's check the car wash. Hal was there earlier. Let's get a bird's eye view and see if we can find those tools. Well, the drone was pretty cool. Too bad it couldn't help us find the tools. Let's bring this bird home. Time to land. Easy. There we go. What else could we do to find the tools? Of course! A police dog! Everyone say hello to Shaggy! Maybe Shaggy can help us find the missing tools. But how? Oh! That's Hal's tool belt. But it's empty. The tools are missing. Wait. Shaggy is going to sniff the belt so he can get the scent of the tools. Awesome! So now, Shaggy can use his sense of smell to locate the tools. Let's see. He might have a scent. Shaggy seems to be running around, but... I don't know, you guys. The tools... they might not be at the police station. But it is really cool to learn how dogs can use their sense of smell to find all kinds of things. Are those the tools back there? No, false alarm. Well, we couldn't find the tools, but that's okay. We'll figure something else out. Good boy, Shaggy. Okay, so we're inside the station again, and Handyman Hal has got a safety cone here. I wonder what they're gonna do. Wait a second. They're using that duster to dust for fingerprints. Whoa. Looks like we got something, you guys. Look right there. Prints. Now they're capturing the prints with a piece of tape. They'll take those prints on down to the database and see if they can find a matching print. They just might, you know. Really cool to find out how all this stuff works, you guys. Looks like this safety cone is official police evidence now. Whoa! Handyman Hal is checking out this awesome police SUV. That's a lot of super cool gear inside. I see a radio, a place to put a computer. I wonder if the lights can be turned on. Yep, there they are, flashing blue and white. They're gonna cruise around town and see if they can find those missing tools. Where are they? Eyes peeled. They could be anywhere. I think Hal's missing a hammer. I think a screwdriver too. His wrenches, pliers. Wait a second. It looks like Hal knows where they are. Let's go! Wait, what? Are those the tools? Oh my goodness, you guys, you know what's happened. Hal's only gone and left his tools in a gigantic, huge, massive claw machine. Oh, Hal. He's gonna try and win them back. Here comes the claw. Come on, Hal, you can do it. Oh, so close. So very, very close. Well, what's he gonna do now? The handyman always has a plan, of course. He's got the keys. He's got the keys! Yes! Perfect! Of course he has. He did a bit of work here too. Awesome! Yes! He's got his tools back! Success! Mission accomplished! And we learned so many cool things about the police today. Awesome job, Handyman Hal.
Oh yeah, I can fix that. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, hey my friends, it's me, Handyman Hal, the handyman that's got a plan. Welcome to the workshop.
Structure fire in progress. We need fire on the scene.
Oh, a structure fire. And they need a fire truck. Well, we've got one right here. Come on, the rescue vehicle, away. Oh, we gotta get on the road here. Gotta travel down the road. Oh, yep, gotta be safe. Going around Safety Cone Mountain. Oh, yes, this is great. Oh, wow, look, there it is. It's a structure fire. I've got a really cool, awesome fire truck here. Watch this. Oh, it's raised water.
Establish a perimeter. No entry until further notice.
A police car. Oh, we've got it. They're calling for the police. Here it comes. Everybody's got to watch out the way. Here comes the police. Oh, wow. All right, the police has made it.
Ambulance en route.
An ambulance too? Of course, absolutely. We've got to have an ambulance. Here they come, around Safety Cone Mountain. Might need to use that later. Yep. Oh, here they come. Oh, the ambulance has made it. Maybe they might need to back up. Perfect. And open up the doors just in case. Wow. All right, a little bit more water from the fire truck. Oh, I've got it. Ooh. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, wow. That's amazing. You know, I love rescue vehicles.
Handyman Hal's here to save the day. Whoa, we're gonna have so much fun along the way. Whoa, the fire's burning bright, we must think quick. Whoa, a fire truck just